Brought to you by the town of Cutler Bay.
This is Hello Cutler Bay.
The threat of Hurricane Matthew quickly approaching Cutler Bay and South Florida. Cutler Bay was on high alert and with good cause. Town officials were meeting, rehearsing, practicing, discussing, and implementing all practices, procedures, and emergency plans town officials have. Not only were we ready, we were hosting area officials and other municipalities right here in Cutler Bay. The morning of the storm's expected landfall here in South Florida, town officials were meeting and still preparing for the worst. Cutler Bay is ready, folks.
For information on anything Cutler Bay, please visit the town's website at cutlerbay-fl.gov.
Or stay in the know by following us on Facebook and Twitter.
I'm Alex Vilsuso.
And I'm Sharon Bardales.
And we'll see you around town.